Everybody, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Ads to Zapier to Jobber so that as soon as you have a new form filled out in Google Ads, it's automatically going to create a new request. And from there, you can create an additional automation that sends them a text message just to let them know that you got that and that you'll be reaching out to them shortly, or whatever other objective you might have with creating the contact in Jobber. So first things first, go to Zapier, click the plus icon, and then click Zaps. And the first thing we're going to do is log into your Google account. So go Google Ads. The trigger we're going to use is new lead form entry. Go ahead and select the account that you want to use. Click continue and go ahead and select the lead form and everything you're going to be using. Click continue here. Now go ahead and test the trigger. So this will bring in just some dummy data for you to use. Continue with that record. And now from here, we're going to send that information to Jobber. The event we're going to choose is to create a new client. Go ahead and select your Jobber account, hit continue. And now we're going to use the information that came in from that Google lead to fill all this out. Now it may be a little bit different. You need to make sure that the lead form that you have set up in Google Ads has all the information you need to be able to actually create a new client in Jobber. This test one doesn't quite have all of it, so we're going to create some dummy fields, but I'll still show you kind of how to do it so that when you use your actual lead form, you can make sure that it's filled out correctly. So under first name, see, like this form only gives us the full name, so we'll just go ahead and put the full name on the first name and the last name. We won't worry about company name since we don't need that. And this test data doesn't have an email, so we're just going to put in a fake email for this example. We would just select the plus button and then select it right here, and that's how we'd put that in. And then phone number, select the plus button and select the phone number here. And the address, I think that we have the city, so we'll go ahead and put the city in. And let's see here. Okay, and then for the address, that the test lead doesn't have any of that, so we're going to put in some dummy info here. But if your lead is built out correctly, you should have everything you need to be able for all that to populate correctly. So we're going to just go ahead and do 23 city. So once that is done, we can go ahead and test it, and this should add them as a new client in Jobber. So now that's all set, tested correctly. Now the next step is another Jobber step, and this is where we're actually going to create the request. So click the action event, click create request, make sure you're logged into your Jobber account and click continue. And again from here, so there's not going to be any values that show up here, so we need to go ahead and click these three dots, click custom. And now that we've created a client in Jobber, we can insert their information. In particular, we're going to insert the ID, which ties the client that we just created directly with this next step. So go ahead and click continue from there, and we're going to go ahead and test this. Perfect, so that went in. So with this Zap that we just created, every time a Google lead comes in from this particular lead form, it's automatically going to create a new client in Jobber, and then it's going to create a new request in Jobber as well. And again, from there, we can create another automation that is just confirming that we got their information and we'll be reaching out to them shortly. But this is a great automation to put into place if you're someone who has a limited budget, or you're just new and you don't need anything that's super expensive or super in-depth. You just want to add a little bit of automation to your systems to make things a little bit easier on you. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I'd love to answer any questions you guys have. Just drop those in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you guys all in the next video.